Hello everyone, this is a lecture series on Margaret Atwood's poetry. The first lecture is on the introduction of the author. Margaret Atwood is a Canadian poet, novelist, literary critic, and an environmental activist. She has received too many awards, including Booker Prize. Presently, at the age of 80, she is living in Canada. Margaret Atwood started her career with writing poetry. Recently, in 2019, her novel, The Testaments, became joint winner of Booker Prize. Her first poetry collection, Double Persephone, is published in 1961 and also won E.J. Pratt Medal. The poetry of the Double Persephone dramatizes the contrast between life and art as well as natural and human creations. The Circle Game is a winner of the 1966 Governor General Award, which also expands the dualities. The poems in Mourning in the Burnt House address grief and loss and move even more deeply into survival territory. Eating Fire, Selected Poems 1965 to 1995 is another poetry collection by Atwood. The Door is the most noteworthy poetry collection. Atwood's wit and humor are pervasive in the poems. The collection succeeded in gaining much critical acclamation. She has written many novels, short stories, and essays. Some of the names of her novels are listed here. Her novels feature female characters defined by their intelligence and complexity. The Blind Assassin won Booker Prize in 2000. Even The Handmaid's Tale, Cat's Eye, Oryx and Crake, Elias Grace were nominated for Booker Prize. Atwood's novels The Handmaid's Tale and Surfacing are adapted for a film, and Elias and Grace is adapted for a Netflix miniseries. Her non-fictions and essays are important to establish her as a literary critic. In Survival, she talks about Canadian literature and its elements. Today, Margaret Atwood is considered as one of the prominent writers of this century. In next lecture, we will talk about characteristics, features of Margaret Atwood's poetry. Thank you.